Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh and in this video we are going to see how we can create AWS Free Tier account. In order to do that, let's open a browser and then type in aws.amazon.com. Okay, on the very first home page you should see something called create a free tier account here. If you don't see this on your screen, there's always a create an AWS account button on your top right corner. So you can use either of these buttons to create AWS Free Tier account. Before we actually start creating an account, let's see what does AWS Free Tier offers us. So just click on this button over here. Okay, so you have basically AWS offers three types of offers. So there are few services which are always free. There are services which are free for 12 months with a limited service. There is a limitation to number of hours you can use or probably number of data that you can store in terms of size. And there are some free trials that AWS offers. You can always use them during the trial period. Okay, so if we just scroll down here, you have a detail of each service, what AWS Free Tier account provides you. For example, you can access an Amazon EC2 instance and you can run a single instance for up to 750 hours or a multiple instance that can run up to 750 hours. So until 750 hours, you will be charged $0 and your billing would start if you exceed 750 hours for any of the Amazon EC2 machines. And this is per month basis. You can see here this is 750 hours per month, meaning every month this gets reset. Okay, and you are only charged for the number of hours your EC2 machine is running or your virtual machine is running. Similarly, it offers a 5 GB of S3 storage and 750 hours of RDS and 25 GB of DynamoDB and so on and so forth. So you can just scroll down here and get all the details. Okay, so now let's start with the account creation process. So you can either click here or you can click here. Okay, so basically you would need an email address and your phone number and a valid credit or a debit card to create an AWS account. You won't be charged for anything unless if you exceed any of the free trial hours or the storage limitation. Otherwise, you will still be under the free trial and all the services that you use will be free to try anything. Okay, so let me start by entering my email ID here. Okay, then choose a password. You have the details of what combination of your password should be. Let me choose a password. Re-enter your password. Then choose the account name. I choose my name here. You can always change this name later once you log into the console. Then click on continue. Okay, looks like the password is not matching. Let me retype it. Okay, so it should be good. So on the second page, you should see information to be filled, your contact information. So we have two types. One is professional and personal. So for unless you're creating it for an organization, you go with a personal account. So basically most of the time for the free tier account for you to play around AWS services and resources. So choose a personal account, type in your name, your telephone number. Make sure you're giving a proper phone number and your address details, because your phone number is going to be used to verify a OTP. Fill in my address. Okay, and then click on the agreement, then create account and continue. Okay, so on the third page you should see something for payment information. So here you have to enter your credit card or debit card, and you will be charged basically I'm creating from Indian account, so I'll be charged 2 rupees. So based on your country version you would be charged a minimal amount on your card. So let me enter my card details here. So just enter your card details here. So after the card details are entered, you can enter your PAN number if you have a PAN number. If you don't have it, click on no. You can also enter your PAN details later point of time. Then click and verify and add. The card number I gave earlier was some random number, but I gave it a correct number later on. So make sure you're giving it a proper detail. So this is taking me to my City account and waiting for an OTP. I just got an OTP. Let me enter it here. Okay, so one final check to confirm your identity. So how do you want to verify, through a phone call or a message? So I'm going to enter my number here and then receive a message here. Type in the captcha and wait for SMS. So once you have your 4-digit OTP code, enter it over here and then verify code. Okay, so your identity has been successfully verified. Click on continue. On the final page you would see what kind of plan would you like to select. So obviously we're going to select for a free tier account, so I'm going to select it as free, the basic plan. Okay, so that's about it. So your account is created and you should see a welcome screen over here, and then based on your current role or whatever organization you're in, you can customize your profile accordingly. And of course you have some tutorials here to launch a virtual machine or to deploy Docker, and you can just start playing around the account. Okay, so let me just sign into Amazon console. Okay, so at this moment I only have a root account to log in. I'm going to use a root account to log in. So root account is basically the email ID from which you created your account. Let me type in the password. So you're in. So it has taken you to a default region, right, and your account name and all the details, and this is the default screen what you see at the very beginning. And click on services, explore different services and the resource groups. Okay, so if you want to launch an EC2 machine here, just click on this. Okay, so basically what it's saying is you have to wait for up to 24 hours to fully get your account active. So it will not take much time. So you would get your account activated and you would also receive a welcome email from Amazon. Then once all the things are active, you can start playing around. Okay, so let me open my email. There it is. So with this particular date, I'm creating this on 9th of April. So I would have 12 months of free tier account starting today. And you can always check the details in your billing section and other stuffs. Okay, so wait for probably 24 hours and you should be able to get started with playing around the different services of AWS. So that's all for this video. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.